Good morning, everyone. It is time to think as a mathematician. So for math today, we are going to dive into doing word problems. Now, we're looking at the skills we need for word problems. We know that as third graders, we can and will be able to add and subtract by double and triple digits easily, no problem, having a lot of different strategies, but we need to be able to do that in the context of word problems as well. So I am going to take this recording to go over a few very important things. We touched on this before. I am going to show you in detail again. Let me share my screen. Word problem practice. So the first thing I'm going to do is read my word problem, and this is something that you already know. This should sound familiar. It is almost pumpkin picking season. The patch started out with 116 pumpkins. 9 got picked the first day. 3 got picked the second day. How many pumpkins are left after the first and second day? What is new is that we are going to be doing multi-step subtraction. Today's learning target is that we know how to tackle multi-step subtraction word problems. Now, I'm going to read this a second time through because the second time through, I can really pick out the numbers that are important to work with. So my example, it is almost pumpkin picking season. The patch started out with 116 pumpkins. I see that number 116. That's the number I'm starting with. That's how many pumpkins I have in total to begin with, 116. I see that 9 got picked the first day. I'm going to take away 9. 3 got picked the second day. So I know that I'm going to need to take away 3 more once I solve that first problem. How many pumpkins are left after the first and second day? Left. I know that that word is going to be important to me as well. So if I'm a student, I'm going to highlight or underline it. So my first step, I know I have to take 9 pumpkins away from the 116. That will equal 107. And I can solve this in a snap, but you might be doing different strategies. That's my first step. Now I know that 3 more got picked the second day. So I'll need to subtract 3 more from 107, and that will equal 104. All of these operations are easy for you to do, and they should be easy for you to do. What's getting a little more complex is deciding and choosing what you need to pull out of the word problems. This is multi-step. If you skipped over the second step, that 3 more got picked the second day, your answer would not be correct. We have to make sure we look at all steps and all parts of the word problem and really think what it is asking us. I'm going to scroll down. You have a couple of jobs to do. You are going to solve both of these problems. Now I am going to zoom up on the first problem. I am going to ask you to pause this video. You are going to pause this video and solve this word problem on a piece of paper. Once you are done, you may move on by pressing play in the video. Okay, now that you have done the first problem, you can do the second problem. I want you to solve this word problem using what I just taught you. Now, I want you to pause this video, and when you are done solving, you may press play to continue. I have a challenge for you, friends. I want you to solve this word problem. Now, this is a choice. With that being said, I know that you're all wonderful students who love to push their thinking. This challenge, I want everyone to at least try. Once you are done, number 1, number 2, and number 3, please send me a picture or a video of your work in my Canvas inbox. Send me a Canvas message. If you need to watch this video again to pause and look at the word problems, you may. I can't wait to see your work, friends. I hope you do a real high quality job. I can't wait to see what you think as mathematicians.